Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to write mathematical operations in Python. First, let's initialize a variable called school. And set it 100. Okay, so now, if you want to divide it by 2, then you would write it like this. This is the division operator. And so basically this line means you will get school and divide it by 2. So now if you want to multiply it by 3, what do? You would just write it like this. This is the multiplication sign. So this line means you will take school and multiply it by 3. So now you want to add school to 50. So you would do it like this. So this line means you will get school and add it to 50. So now, if you want to subtract it by 200, what do? You would do it like this. Okay, so now you would want to print the school variable. So you would do it like this. You would write print and you would write school here. Okay, so what do you think the school variable is? Drop your comments down below. Bye-bye.